Today I will show you how to make these viral particle effects. So to actually make these particle effects, it takes a lot of video editing knowledge and skill, and honestly just a lot of time. So that's why I really wanted a quick way to make these effects, and I actually found a really dope plugin for this, which was made by my good friend Peli, who's also a professional video editor. So for this tutorial, I will be using his particle effects plugin, which he has recently released, and it's like one of the most premium plugins I've ever used. So I'm really excited to just jump into After Effects and show you how to use it. Alright guys, so in After Effects, as you can see, I have 3 clips and the particle effects plugin, which I mean, just look how premium this looks. And here we have like my favorite effects. I have marked these as my favorite. I mean, you can copy these if you have the particle effects plugin. These will literally be insane if you use them in your edits. And if you go exit the favorites tab, you also have the all effects tab, which, as you know, the name just suggests, includes every single effect from the pack. So just to illustrate how easy it is to use the pack, you can just click on one of the effects and press apply, or you can double press on the effects. And you will instantly have an insane particle effect. I mean, this takes such a long time to make, so I'm just super happy that Peli actually made this plugin. But now I do want to show you some of my favorite effects. So if you scroll down, you see I have selected the chromatic hologram. If you like any of the effects, like you can, for example, just press on this star button and you'll have it in your favorites. But the effect I want to show you on this specific clip is the raw monochromatic hologram. So let's just double press on it. And this is how the raw monochromatic effect looks like. That is absolutely ridiculously good. But I'm literally not done here, guys. Like if you scroll down, like really down, you can actually see bonus effects. Now these will work if you have like some paid plugins, but most editors actually have them, so I don't think you have to worry about that. So you could just take the crispy RGB particle and apply it. I'm going to use the crispy RGB particle in the second clip, and just look how that looks. I mean, that is super dope. I mean, actually, nice work, Peli. That is insane right there. But I forgot to show you, like if you actually just go out of the all effects, you can go to like specific styles of effects. So I mean, my favorite ones are personally the holograms. So if you just go to holograms, like you can pick out like the matrix hologram, and you'll have like a green style matrix hologram, which is just going to look super cool. As you can see here, that is incredible. But for this clip, I'm going to choose the chromatic hologram. So click on it and let's apply it. And this is how the chromatic hologram looks. I mean, what do I even need to say? That is just insane. And here's how all of the effects combined look like. This is a super creative plugin, I have to say. I definitely recommend to use this effects whenever you need to have like a creative effect in your music videos or your edits, because these effects definitely surprise a lot of people by how good they look. So as you just saw, this plugin is super dope and lets you add insane particle effects in literally just a couple of clicks. So if you're interested in leveling up your editing game, I'll definitely recommend to check it out. And Peli was kind enough to give us also a $5 discount code, which is going to be code Povikas. So if you use code Povikas at the checkout, you will save $5 off on the particle effects plugin. And of course, I'll have the particle effects plugin linked in the description.